I recently did a podcast for the Business Focus Group. It's a fantastic podcast, BFG, if you don't know it or you haven't seen it, particularly aimed at SMEs. And one of the questions that they asked me in the interview was my biggest regret in business. It's a tricky one, that one, isn't it? Because you think, well, I've made so many mistakes, but none of them are regrets because they're things that I've learned from. But when you put a lot of thought into it, the real regret, the big thing that I could have done differently or should have done differently was to niche early enough. All of us think we niche, but not all of us actually do. We need to niche so fine that we completely understand what it is that special person, that ideal client wants from us. Because all we really need is enough of those people, don't we? We don't need everybody. We don't need to sell everybody, but we do need to be known for the thing that we do. That one thing that we are absolutely awesome at. The other stuff comes too, you know, once you're in with the client and they like you and they respect you and they see the benefit of working with you, then they'll start to give you other bits and pieces around the periphery. But niche now, if you don't understand your niche, please work it out. If you want some help, give me a call, I'll help you with pleasure. Get your niche right, then your message and your business will nicely follow. Hopefully that'll give you a few things to think about today. And see if I can find where my dog's got to. Have a great day.